तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे महासेमी इंग्लिश चॅनल मध्ये। आज आपण बघणार आहे स्टँडर्ड 8 माय इंग्लिश बुक 2.1 ट्राय अगेन याचा वॉर्मिंग अप आज आपण बघणार आहोत। पहा, पहिला प्रश्न आहे, द फॉलोइंग anagrams contain words phrases from the poem. Guess and write what they are. First question, rainy tag. Try again. Rainy tag, try again. Second आहे our cage. Courage. Third आहे wait sir. याचा आन्सर आहे strive. Red raw. याचा आन्सर आहे reward. Tap nice. याचा आन्सर आहे patience. 6 serve peer. याचा आन्सर आहे preserve. Question 2, pick out lines that convey the following from the poem. Question A, if you keep trying without a doubt, you shall win. For if will preserve, you will conquer, never fear. Question B, it is not shameful to struggle hard. याचा आन्सर आहे if we strive, this no disgrace. Question C, when others can do work, so can you if you keep trying patiently. याचा आन्सर आहे all that other folk can do, why with patience may not you. Question D, when you fail in your first attempt, make another one. याचा आन्सर आहे if at first you don't succeed, try again. Question 3, find from the poem the antonyms, that is opposite words for the following. First question आहे succeed, opposite word fail. Second question आहे punishment, reward. Third, courage, fear. Fourth, stop, quit, preserve. Fifth question, lose, win. Question 4, answer in your own words. Question A, what lessons should be kept always in mind. याचा आन्सर आहे the lesson that should always be kept in mind is try again. Question B, what should someone who lose a race do. याचा आन्सर आहे someone who loses a face should try again. Question C, what quality is important when you are struggling for success. याचा आन्सर आहे perseverance is the quality that is important when we are struggling for success. Question D, what can success have greater value when you get it easily or with difficulty. याचा आन्सर आहे the success that we get with difficulty has greater value. Question 5, read the poem and fill in the verb choosing point from it. तर पहा, इथं आपल्याला एक वेब दिलेले आहे, आपल्याला त्याचे पॉइंट चूज करायचे आहेत. आता बघा, व्हॉट लीड्स टू सक्सेस. trying again, patience, perseverance, courage, fearlessness. Question 6. Most lines from the poem can serve as truth or a proverb. Pick out 3 or 4 such lines. याचा आन्सर आहे पहा. A proverb is a simple, concrete truth which is universally accepted and frequently used. म्हणजे frequently used. For example, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Second, if you will persevere, you will conquer. Third, if we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Fourth, time will bring you your reward. Fifth, all that other folk can do, why with patience may not you. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि व्हिडिओला जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवा. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.